Hi friends, welcome to our channel. This is your Maranatha teacher. Please subscribe my channel. Today I am narrating the story of Bahubali, the India's biggest movie released in 2015, Bahubali 1. The Beginning is a 2015 Indian epic historical fiction film directed by S.S. Rajamouli, produced by Shobhu Yarlagadda and Prasad Devneni. It is the first of two cinematic parts and was simultaneously made in Telugu and Tamil. The film stars Prabhas, Rana Daggubati, Tamanna, and Anushka Shetty in lead roles. Satyaraj, Ramyakrishna, Nazar, Adviseshu, Tanikella Bharani, and Sudeep appear in supporting roles. The soundtrack and background score were composed by M.M. Keeravani, while the cinematography, editing, art direction, and visual effects supervision were done by K.K. Senthil Kumar, Kotagiri Venkateswar Rao, Sabu Cyril, and V. Srinivas Mohan, respectively. The film Bahubali 1, which was made on a budget of 120 crore, its main 18 million US dollars, released worldwide on 10th July 2015 to positive reviews from critics, became the highest grossing Indian film within India and became the third highest grossing Indian film globally. It became the first South Indian film to gross over 650 crore, mean 97 million US dollars worldwide, and the first non-Hindi film to gross over 100 crore, its mean 15 million US dollars in the dubbed Hindi version. It is also the highest grossing Telugu film of all time. Also, it is the highest grossing South Indian film at the global box office. In the ancient kingdom of Mahishmati in India, Shivagami, the queen, Ramikrishna, emerges from a cave adjoining a big waterfall carrying a baby. She kills the soldiers pursuing her and sacrifices herself to save the baby. Local villagers spot the baby held aloft in the drowning queen's hand and rescue the infant. The queen drowns after pointing towards the mountain above the waterfall. Sangha, Rohini, and her husband name the infant Shiva and raise him as their own son. Shiva, Prabhas, grows up to be a strong young man, aspiring to hike the mountain and makes many unsuccessful attempts at it. He then finds a mask of a girl which falls from the waterfall. Driven to find out the identity of that girl, he climbs the mountain again and succeeds this time. On top of the waterfall, Shiva discovers that the mask belongs to Avantika Tamanna, the heroine, a rebellious warrior whose group has indulged in a guerrilla warfare against King Bhallaladeva Rana Daggubati of the Mahishmati kingdom. The group intends to rescue their former queen Devasena, Anushka Shetty, who has been chained in the kingdom for the past 25 years. Avantika is given the opportunity to rescue the queen. Avantika falls in love with Shiva after she finds out that he has climbed the waterfall for her. Shiva pledges to help her in her mission and sneaks into Mahishmati to rescue Devasena. Shiva rescues her and flees along with her but is chased down by the king's royal slave Katappa Satyaraj, known for his great warrior abilities. After Shiva beheads Bhadra, Adviseshu, Bhallaladava's son, Katappa drops his weapons on realizing that the Shiva is Mahendra Bahubali, the son of late King Amarendra Bahubali. A flashback reveals Amarendra Bahubali's past. Amarendra's mother died while giving him birth, while his father had died much before that. Shivagami takes charge of running the kingdom with Katappa's assistance until a new king is elected. Amarendra Bahubali and Bhallala Deva are brought up together, trained in all areas including arts, science, disguise, politics, and warfare, but both of them have different approaches towards kingship. Amarendra Bahubali is liberal to everyone, but Bhallala Deva is violent and achieves his goals with any means possible, even trying to kill Bahubali. When a war is forced upon Mahishmati by the Kalakeyas, Shivagami promises that the new king will be the one who beheads the Kalakeya king and orders that the war resources be distributed equally between the two cousins. Bijaladeva Nazar, Bhallaladeva's father, uses his cunningness to make sure Bhallaladeva gets the maximum resources. When it seems that Mahishmati would end up being defeated, Amarendra inspires his soldiers to fight to the death and they end up crushing the enemy. Despite Bhallaladeva being the one to kill the Kalakaya king, Shivagami announces Amarendra Bahubali as the new emperor because of his nobility and leadership in the war. After the flashback, when asked about Amarendra's current whereabouts, a tearful Katappa reveals that the king is dead and that Katappa himself is the one responsible for his death. Friends, here it is the Bahubali 1 story. Thank you for listening. I hope you all watched this film previously. Thank you.